Hello everyone. Let us see this question number 22. ABCD is a parallelogram where A is xy, B is 5 8, C is 4 7 and D is 2 minus 4. We have to find the coordinate of point A. That means we have to find this x and y value. Now in case of parallelogram we know that midpoint of diagonals AC and BD. Okay. The midpoint of AC will be same as midpoint of BD in simple what I will say. So in case of parallelogram, here I will say that coordinate of midpoint of AC will be equal to coordinate of midpoint of diagonal BD. So the coordinate of midpoint of AC and coordinate of midpoint of BD, they are going to be same. So their midpoints are going to be equal. So therefore you know what is midpoint formula. So for AC you will say that x plus 4 divided by 2 comma y plus 7 divided by 2. This is going to be equal to, for BD it is 5 plus 2 divided by 2 comma 8 minus 4 divided by 2. So we equate this. So therefore we will say that x plus 4 is equals to, now you equate this part with this part. So x plus 4 will be equal to 5 plus 2 7 and we have y plus 7 is equals to 8 minus 4 is 4. So therefore you will say that therefore x is equals to 7 minus 4 and y equal to 4 minus 7. So you will get x is equals to 7 minus 4 is 3 and you will get y is equals to 4 minus 7 is minus 3. So the value of coordinate of point A, therefore the coordinate of A, therefore I will say that therefore coordinate of point A is 3 comma minus 3. This is first part of the problem. Second part is the equation of diagonal BD. We have to find equation of diagonal BD. So to get the equation of diagonal BD, now you have done this part, so I will remove here. Diagonal BD, for getting equation of diagonal BD, we should know slope of BD. So slope of BD, here slope of BD you will say that minus 4 minus 8 divided by 2 minus 5, which is minus 12 divided by minus 3 is equals to 4. So slope of BD is 4. Therefore equation of BD, so equation of BD we will get in slope point form, that is y minus y1 will be equal to m times x minus x1. So therefore I will say that y minus, now y1 for BD, so B I will take x1 y1, so y minus 8 is equals to m, we got 4 into x minus 5. So therefore here you will say that y minus 8 is equals to 4x minus 4 5 is 20. Okay, you can simplify this equation. So you can say that therefore 4x minus y, now this is minus 20 and this minus 8 will become plus 8 is equals to 0. So therefore 4x minus y minus 12 is equals to 0. So 4x minus y minus 12 is equals to 0 is your answer. This is equation of diagonal BD. This is question 22. Now problem number 23 is in triangle ABC, A, B and C is given. Find the equation of median through A. Now you know what is median. Say this is triangle ABC. ABC. We have to find the median through point A. So median through point A means it will meet BC at the midpoint of this BC, say M. We have to find the equation of this AM, find the equation of median. So here I will say that here M is midpoint of BC and AM is median. Okay, now coordinate of point M. So by midpoint theorem, by I will say that midpoint theorem, yeah, or by midpoint formula I will say, theorem no, midpoint formula. Coordinate of point M, or directly I will say that M. By midpoint M is what? B and C. I will add x coordinate, so 7 plus 1, it is 7 plus 1 divided by 2, comma 8 minus 10 divided by 2. So this will give me, so this will give M as 7 plus 1, 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 8 minus 10 minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1. So M is 4 comma minus 1. Now I will find slope of AM. So now slope of AM. So slope of AM is y2 minus y1, that is minus 1. So here the coordinate of M we got 4 comma minus 1. The coordinate of A we have 3 comma 5. The coordinate of B we have 7 comma 8. The coordinate of C we have 1 comma minus 10. Okay. Now slope of AM. Slope of AM is minus 1 minus 5 divided by 4 minus 3. So minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Minus 6 upon 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is minus 6. This is slope of AM. So therefore equation of AM. So therefore equation of AM. Equation of AM is what? Y minus y1. So y1 I will say it is 5. This is x1 y1. Y minus 5 is equals to M, which is minus 6, and to x minus 3. So you simplify this equation, you will get y minus 5 is equals to minus 6x minus minus it is plus 6 3 is 18. Minus 6x I will bring to left, so I will say that 6x plus y minus 5 minus 18 is equals to 0. So therefore I say that 6x plus y minus, now minus 5 minus 18, it is minus 23 is equals to 0. So this is equation of AM. Equation of median through A. Now we have to find the equation of line passing through minus 2 3 and having x intercept 4 unit. So here x intercept is given. X intercept is 4. So therefore point where line cut x axis is 4 comma 0. Okay, so we have to point, find the equation of line passing. So I will say let A is, we have minus 2 comma 3 and B. So for coordinate we generally use these 3 lines. This indicate that we are talking about coordinate of point B, and coordinate of point B is say this 4 comma 0. Now the line is passing through AB, so we have to find equation of AB. So first we will find what is slope of AB. So slope of AB is 0 minus 3 upon 4 minus minus it will become plus. So it is minus 3 upon 6. This is minus 1 upon 2. So this is slope of AB. Now we get the slope of AB. Now therefore equation of AB. So equation of AB. So equation of AB we will get y minus y1 is equals to M into x minus x1. So therefore y minus, the value of y1 is 3. Y minus 3 is equals to M. The value of M is, now the value of M, what is the value of M? slope we have to find out, no? Minus 1 by 2 into x minus x1, so it is minus minus, it will become plus 2. So therefore 2 I will multiply here, 2 into y minus 3, it is equals to minus x plus 2. So therefore it will give me 2y minus 6 is equals to minus x minus 2. So therefore minus x will come here, x plus 2y minus 6, and this minus will become plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, this is the required equation of line AB. So this is equation of AB. Okay, this is 24th question. Now question number 25 is find the equation of line whose x-intercept is 6 and y-intercept is minus 4. So here x-intercept is given, x-intercept is equals to 6 and y-intercept is equals to minus 4. So therefore the points on line are x-intercept 6 means 6 comma 0 is 1 point, and y-intercept is minus 4 means 0 comma minus 4 is another point. So say this is point A and this is point B. So we can find first slope of AB. Slope of AB is, it is minus 4 minus 0 upon 0 minus 6. So this will give you minus 4 divided by minus 6, which is 2 divided by 3. So this is slope of AB. Now we got the slope of AB. Find the equation of line. We have to find equation of line. So slope of AB is 2 divided by 3. So therefore equation of line. Equation of line. Equation of line is, we have y minus y1. We have y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. That is y minus, what is y1? We can take any point as say 0. We will say 0 is equals to m is 2 divided by 3 into x minus x1. What is x1? x1 is 6. So this equation will become y, 3 I will multiply here. So 3y is equals to 2 times x minus 6. So this implies 3y equal to 2x minus 12. So that is, you can say 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equals to 0. This is equation of line. This is equation of line. Find the equation of line whose x-intercept is 6 and y-intercept is minus 4. So that is 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. Now here the question is, write down the equation of line whose gradient is 3 by 2. So gradient is given, matlab m is given 3 divided by 2, and which passes through P, where P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. So point P divide AB in ratio 2:3. So suppose point is here and it is dividing in 2:3. So first we have to find the value of point P. Okay, so coordinate of point P we can find out by using section formula. Now point A is given minus 2 comma 6, point B is given 3 comma minus 4. So first we will say that by section formula, by using section formula, coordinate of point P so section formula is what? We multiply 2 with 3. The formula, if you wanted to write formula, you can write formula first. This is 2 into 3 mx2 plus n x1. So plus this is 3 into minus 2 upon m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. This is x coordinate, and for y coordinate the same way, 2 into minus 4 plus 3 into plus 6 upon 2 plus 3. So the coordinate of point P will become 3 to the 6, 6 minus 6 is 0, so this will become 0, and here it is minus 8 plus 18, so minus 8 plus 18 divided by 5. So this gives me the value of P as 0 comma 10 upon 5 is 2. So 0 comma 2 is point P. So we have to find equation with slope as 3 by 2 and passing through point 2 comma 3. So therefore we have to find equation of line with a slope 3 by 2 and passing through point 0 comma 2. So equation of line which have a slope m and passing through some point is of the form of y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1, that is y minus 2 is equals to slope is 3 divided by 2 into x minus x1 is 0. So therefore 2 times we have y minus 2 is equals to 3x. So therefore we have 2y minus 4 is equals to 3x. Therefore we can say that 3x minus 2y and this minus will become plus 4 is equals to 0. So 3x minus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0 is the required equation. This is question. Now here the problem is find the equation of line passing through point 1 4 and intersecting the line x minus 2y minus 11 is equals to 0 on y-axis. So we have to find the equation of line which is passing through this point and intersecting this line on y-axis. So to get the other point from which the line is passing, we can simply find where this line intersect the y-axis. So to get where this line intersect y-axis, we put x is equals to 0. So I will say that to find point where x minus 2y minus 11 equal to 0 intersect y-axis, we put x equal to 0. To understand where it cut y-axis, we will put x is equals to 0. So therefore here we have 0 minus 2y minus 11 is equals to 0. So this gives us 2y equal to minus 11 and this gives us y equal to minus 11 divided by 2. So y is equals to minus 11 divided by 2 is the point where the line cut the y-axis. So we have to find the equation. So therefore here we have to find equation of line which passes through one point they have mentioned 1 4 and the other point we got as 0 comma minus 11 divided by 2. I hope you understand. The question was find the equation of line passing through 1 4 and intersecting the line on the y-axis. So this line intersecting on y-axis, this line intersecting y-axis, okay, and the point is the intersection of our line also. So our line is intersecting this line on y-axis. So if we find where this line intersect y-axis, that will be the required point where our required line is also intersecting. So we have to find the equation of line passing through these 2 points. So you can consider this point as A and this point as B. So first you can find slope of AB. So slope of AB, we can simply find slope of AB. slope of AB is equal to, it is minus 11 divided by 2 minus 4 whole divided by 0 minus 1. So this will become minus 11 divided by 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 11 minus 8 whole divided by 2 and the whole divided by minus 1. So this will become minus 19 divided by minus 2 and 19 upon 2, I can say. Okay. So this is slope of AB. So therefore I will say that equation of AB. Therefore equation of your line AB, it is y minus, now any one point I will take x1 y1. So let us take this point A. So y minus y1, that is y minus 4, is equals to m is 19 divided by 2 into x minus 1. So I will cross multiply. I will say that therefore 2 times y minus 4 is equals to 19 times x minus 1. So therefore we have 2y minus 8 is equals to 19x minus 19. So therefore 19x minus 2y minus 19 plus 8 is equals to 0. This will give you 19x minus 2y minus 19 plus 8 is what? Minus 11 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation which we have to find out. Now here question number 28 is find the equation of a straight line containing the point 3, 2 and making positive equal intercept on x-axis. So on x-axis, find the equation of a straight line containing the point 3, 2 and making positive equal intercepts on axis. So the line is making equal intercepts on the axis, right? So I will say that let the equal intercepts be A. So therefore points where it cut x axis and y axis are a comma 0 and 0 comma a. So therefore slope, I will find slope. So slope will become, we indicate by m, so it will become y2 minus y1, that is a minus 0, upon x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus a, that is a upon minus a, that is equals to minus 1. So therefore equation of line, it will be y minus y1. So say this is x1 y1, so y minus 0 is equals to minus 1 times x minus a. So here this is minus x plus a and here it is y. So therefore we have x plus y minus a is equals to 0. X plus y minus a is equals to 0. So this is equation of line. Now this line is passing through 3 comma 2. So as I will say that as line passes through 3 comma 2, the point 3 comma 2 will satisfy the equation. As the line is passing through this 3 comma 2, that means this point is on the line, and so we can put x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. So by putting, we will get 3 plus 2 minus a is equals to 0. So therefore this is 5 minus a is equals to 0. So this will give me the value of a. So therefore I get a is equals to 5. So I get value of a as 5. Okay, this is 28th question. Now here the intercept made by the straight line on the axis are minus 3 and 2 unit, find the gradient of the line. So here the intercept made by the straight line on the axis are minus 3 and 2. Find the gradient of the line. So when it is not mentioned that whether x intercept is minus 3 or y intercept is minus 3, so we consider that first value is x intercept and second value is y intercept. So here I will say that x intercept is minus 3 and y intercept is plus 2. So therefore points are x intercept minus 3, so it is minus 3 comma 0, and y intercept is 2, so it is 0 comma 2, because y intercept means x coordinate is going to be 0. So now we have point, we have to find gradient of the line. So therefore here slope, that is gradient, slope is equals to y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 0 upon 0, minus minus it will become plus, so it is 2 upon 3, this is slope. The equation of line, so for equation of line I will say that equation of line here it is y minus y1. So y1 I will say y1 is 0 is equals to m, that is 2 divided by 3 into x minus x1. So minus minus it will become plus. So therefore it will become 3y is equals to 2x plus 2 3 is 6. So therefore this is 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. This is equation of line. 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equals to 0. And third question is the area enclosed between the line and the coordinate axis. So area, the formula for area is half into base into height. Now if you draw the diagram for the given condition, you will find that x intercept is minus 3, that means one point is here, y intercept is 2, that means one point is here, and this is what it is making a triangle with the coordinate axis. So base is 3 and height is 2. So here area you will say that half into base into height. So half into 3 into 2. Now this 2 and 2 we can cancel, and here it is 3. So we will say that 3 square unit. This is area. So required area is 3 square unit. The area of the triangle enclosed between the line and the coordinate axis is 3 square unit. Now here in this question number 30, A and B are 2 points on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. P is 2 comma minus 3 is the midpoint. Now this point P is the midpoint. We have to find the coordinate of A and B. So I will say let A is, now A is on the x-axis, so we consider A as say x comma 0, and B we consider, or let us not say A here, say let us say this A is point A is A comma 0 and point B is 0 comma B. Okay, now P is midpoint. P is midpoint. Therefore by midpoint formula I will say that the coordinate of point P, which is 2 comma minus 3, this will be equal to, midpoint formula is what? I will add x coordinate, that is I will say that A plus 0 divided by 2 comma 0 plus B divided by 2. So by comparing we will understand that this 2 is equals to A divided by 2 and this minus 3 is equals to B divided by 2. So therefore I will get A is equals to 2 to the 4 and I will get B is equals to minus 6. So the value of B is minus 6 and value of A is 4. So A and B we got. Find the coordinate of A and B. So therefore I will say that therefore coordinate of A coordinate of A is what? A comma 0, that is 4 comma 0, and coordinate of B is 0 comma minus 6. So we get the coordinate of A and B. Okay. Now slope of line AB. We got AB, so therefore now we can find slope of AB. Slope of AB. Slope of AB is what? Y minus y1 is equals to m. So m, sorry, I am finding slope. Slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So slope of AB is equals to, here y2 minus y1, so I will say that minus 6 minus 0 upon 0 minus 4. So this is minus 6 upon minus 4. So minus minus will cancel, 6 upon 4. 6 upon 4 will be 3 upon 2. So this is slope of AB. We got the slope of AB, and now we have to find equation of AB. So finally I have equation of AB. Equation of AB. So for equation of AB, we will say that y minus y1. So y1 is what? Y1 we will take 0 and x1 we will take 4. So y minus 0 is equals to m is 3 divided by 2 x minus 4. So this will be your 2y is equals to, here you have 3x minus 3 for the 12. So therefore you will say that 3x minus 2y, this 2y will go on this side. So 3x minus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. So this is your required equation of line AB. This is equation of AB. Now here you have to find the equation of diagonal of rectangle whose sides are x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to 2, y equal to minus 2 and y equal to 6. So on the coordinate axis, if we draw all these points, x is equals to minus 1, so this is x is equals to minus 1, right? It is passing through this minus 1. X is equals to plus 2, here we have this line as x is equals to plus 2. Then y is equals to minus 2. So I have one line like this. This is y equal to minus 2. It is passing through this minus 2. Okay, this is y axis, this is x axis. Okay, and then we have y equal to plus 6. So somewhere here we have this line as y equal to plus 6. So easily you can understand that we get 4 corner points. Let us name these 4 corner points as A, B, C and D. Now easily you can identify the coordinates of ABCD. Here the coordinate of A, point A, if we check, the coordinate of A is along x-axis it is minus 1 and along y-axis it is minus 2. So it is minus 1 minus 2. The coordinate of point B, we have along x-axis it is plus 2 and along y-axis it is minus 2. The coordinate of point C, along x-axis it is plus 2 and y-axis it is 6, and finally the coordinate of point D is minus 1 comma 6. Okay, these are ABCD. Find the equation of diagonal of the rectangle whose sides are this. So diagonal, find the equations of diagonals. So we have two diagonals. We have to find equation of AC and we have to find equation of BD. So first I will find slope of AC. So slope of AC, if you see, for AC it is 6 minus minus it will become plus, 6 plus 2 upon 2 plus 1. This is 8 divided by 3. This is slope of AC. Therefore I have equation of AC. Equation of AC. Now equation of AC is y minus, so it will become y plus 1. Y minus y1 is equals to m. So the value of m is 8 divided by 3. M into x, again I am doing some mistake, y minus y1, so it is plus 2. It is equals to 8 divided by 3 into x plus 1. So we will cross multiply and we will say that therefore here we have 3y plus 6 is equals to 8x plus 8. So therefore we have 8x minus 3y plus 8 minus 6 will become plus 2 equal to 0. This is your equation of AC. And similarly you can find equation of BD. So B and D, this value let us put here, and you can find slope of BD. So first slope of BD will be BD, it will be 6 plus 2 divided by minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, minus 1 minus 2. So this is 8 divided by minus 3. This is slope of BD. So therefore equation of BD. Equation of BD. So for equation of BD we have y minus 2, it will become y plus 2 is equals to minus 8 divided by 3 into x minus 2. So this is 3y plus 3 to the 6 is equals to minus 8x, and minus minus it will become plus 8 to the 16. So I will say that therefore 8x plus 3y plus 6 minus 16 is 0. So therefore 8x plus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. This is your required equation. Okay, this is the required equation. Question number 31. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the origin and through the point of intersection of this and this. So we have to find equation of line which is passing through origin. So one point we know, one point A is 0, 0, and the other point is intersection of these two lines. So we have given 5x plus 7y equal to 3. This is one equation, and 2x minus 3y equal to 7. This is second equation. How we solve this? We multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 7. So multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by equation 1 by 3, sorry, equation 1 by 3 and 2 by 7. So equation 1 by 3, so 5 3 we will get 15x plus 7 3 21y is equals to 3 3 9. Let us consider this as equation 3, and this equation we multiply by 7. So 7 2 14x minus 7 3 21y equal to 7 7 49. This is equation 4. Then we add these two equations. So here what we do? Add this equation 3 and 4. So 15 plus 14, this we will get 29x, and this will 0, and here we add to 998, and this is 58. So therefore x is 58 divided by 29, which is equals to 2. So the value of x we got. Now we put this value of x in any of the equation. So I will say put x is equals to 2 in equation 1. So what is equation 1? 5x plus 7y is 3. 5x plus 7y equal to 3. So therefore this is 5 to the 10. Now I have 7y equal to 3 minus 10, which is minus 7. So therefore value of y we will say minus 7 upon 7 equal to minus 1. So I got x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 1. So therefore I will say therefore point of intersection is, I will say this is point B, and this is 2 comma minus 1. Now we have to find equation of AB. Here we have to find equation of AB. So equation of AB, for that we will first find slope of AB. Therefore here we have slope of AB is equals to minus 1 minus 0 upon 2 minus 0, because A is 0 comma 0, so it is minus 1 divided by 2. So therefore equation of AB is y minus 0 is equals to m into x minus 0, because A is what? 0 comma 0. So this 2 will come here, therefore we have 2y is equals to minus x. Therefore, x plus 2y is 0 is your answer. Now here in this problem, the question is match the equation ABCD with line L1, L2, L3, L4 whose graphs are roughly drawn in the adjoining diagram. So here diagrams are there, we have to just match it. Now see this line L3. L3 is passing through origin. So any line which passes through origin, its constant term is 0. So we will see that the equation number 1 is y equal to 2x. So this equation y is equal to 2x. This is your line L3. This is your line L3. Okay. Second, this line L1, it is parallel to x axis. So it is in the form of y equal to something. So y equal to 2 here we are getting. So this is your line. This is your line L1. Now we have two lines. One is L4 and L2. Okay. So for L4, any line which is like this, okay, it makes some acute angle and its slope is positive. So if I say y is equals to, so here this line is y is equals to 2x, y is equals to 2x minus 2. The slope is 2, which is positive. So positive slope is for line L3. So this equation is line L3. And then this remaining line is going to be your line L4. Here if you put x on right hand side, you will get minus 3. Negative slope indicate that your angle is more than 90 degrees. So for line L3, 2 times I have written L3. This is L4. This is L4. Yes. No. What I am doing? Positive slope. This is L4. And then this is L4 done, L3 done, L1 done, L2. This is line L2 with negative slope. This is your line L2. Now let us see the last question. Point A on reflection in x-axis mapped to A dash. So reflection in x-axis. So when there is a reflection in x-axis, then its y coordinate changes. X coordinate remain the same. So A dash will become 3, 2. And point B on reflection in y-axis mapped to B dash. So we have A given. So A dash we have find out. Now B dash is given. B dash is minus 4, 3. And it is the reflection of point B which is mapped on y. So that means its x coordinate must have changed. So we can say that B is 4, 3. Okay. So we have A dash, B dash, B. A is also there. A is what? 3, 2. Now what we have to find? Write down the coordinate of A dash and B that you have done. Find the slope of line A dash B. So simple. Slope of A dash B is equals to, now it is y2 3 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. So slope of A dash B is 1. So therefore slope of A dash B is 1. So done. Okay, all the problems you have done. It might possible that few of the questions, okay, you find difficult. So I will suggest you that pause the video, revise those questions, or just check your solved examples first. Okay. Thank you.